Imagine yourself in this 2009 Holden Commodore. You could be in the driver's seat of this impressive vehicle with a reliable 6-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 5-speed automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.